Custom domains for API are now supported by KeyAuth for the developer and seller plans. This should resolve any blockage issues with internet providers, as it'll be your own domain, and it's unlikely it'll get blocked as there's not as many people on the one domain. So you want to get a domain, you can get a free one at Freenom, and then if you try clicking get it now from here, it's going to say not available. So what you need to do is you need to copy the end extension of whichever domain you want, and then you need to type that in here. And once typing the full domain with the end extension TLD, then it'll show up, and then you can do checkout, and you can enter any fake info and set the period to one year to 12 months. And then I recommend you add it to Cloudflare. Cloudflare will give you a free SSL certificate, which is needed for many of the examples such as C++ and Python. Plus, it's just an industry standard of basic security for your users. Once added to wherever you choose, you're going to want to add a record. The type is going to be CNAME. The name is going to be whatever that subdomain you want. So if you want to do the main domain, you can do @ If you want to do API, you can do API. And then the target is going to be api.keyauth.win. And then you should leave the proxy status as proxied, because that's how you're going to be able to have SSL certificate. And then click save. Then head over to SSL and set this to flexible if it's on any other setting. And then go to Edge Certificates and turn on always use HTTPS. Then go into the security tab and WAF. So if you're using Python, it's going to be contains Python request. If you're using a newer example, it's going to be does not equal and then blank. Or if you're using an older example, it's going to be does not equal KeyAuth, and then deploy the firewall rule. And if you're using the site for more than just the API, you're going to want to add another. You're going to want to click and then do host name equals whatever the subdomain is that you did. And then head over to DDoS, configure, set to high sensitivity. And then you're going to go to the settings. If browser integrity check is on, turn it off, and turn security level essentially off. And then come into app settings and add in. And then it may take a couple minutes after setting the settings to propagate. And you can check with this curl command. It should look like this. It shouldn't have any HTML talking about bunny CDN. And then let's change the URL. We're going to select this whole thing, Control Shift F, go over to replace, and type in your custom domain with a slash at the end like that, and then replace all. And there we go. We're able to log in just fine. Thank you for watching. Make sure you join the Discord server. Have a good day.